The night time, explained Seoul legend Ray Charles, is the right time, advice that was as sound for furtive couples in 1959 as it is for insomniac Nikkei 225 futures traders in 2017. Last Friday, to a ripple of specialist excitement, data for the first 3 weeks of May showed a critical line was about to be crossed. Since the start of the month, the volumes of Nikkei 225 mini futures contract traded between the daytime and night sessions have almost equalized. A sharp spike in late night activity last week means that the ratio for the full month should tip in favor of the night session for the first time. The significance arises from who trades these contracts, a fluctuating combination of non-Japanese ETFs, US-based high-frequency traders, and the most night-feverish of the lot, the semi-professional Japanese retail investors trading into the small hours. To some extent, the crossover was bound to happen. Use of the night session has been increasing since 2015. Last July, JPX, which controls the Tokyo and Osaka exchanges, extended the night session by more than 2 hours, specifically aiming to offer Japanese investors more time to trade on real-time US developments on Wall Street. The crossover, once it happens, may prove permanent. In theory, Japanese margin traders could much more comfortably play during the Japanese daytime. The market hours are civilized, there's even a break for lunch, and Nikkei 225 sensitive news flow should be more prevalent in the daylight hours. The practice is rather different. Despite a now sustained bull market in Japanese stocks, there is a moribund feel to daytime trading, a sensation described by brokers as swimming through sludge. Any would-be excitement in the daytime session, say participants, is smothered by a combination of index tracking funds and the Bank of Japan's enormous ETF buying program. The night session, by stark contrast, is a more crackly obstacle course with far more potential for interesting tradable moves in the Nikkei 225 futures. News flow and foreign exchange moves track west through Europe and the UK before landing to the delight of Japanese night traders in Wall Street, by far the biggest source of market-moving influence on the Japanese benchmark index. Japanese retail, says Jesper Cole, head of Wisdom Tree Japan, is the smarter investor, which is why they have decided to take Ray Charles at his word.